What's up, YouTube? It's your boy.
Justin here.
We're gonna fire the potato cannon off. Okay, I won't.
I'm scared.
It's facing forward. Aim it directly at a window.
That's the business part. They won't care if we knock out a window.
Okay.
All right, you got my cap, right?
I got it.
All right.
Applying the Aqua Net. Cap.
Yeah, drop it on there fast. There you go.
Tight?
Yeah. All right. Do not put it up to your neck because we
Okay.
don't want to blow your head off.
Okay.
Shoot it down here. Shoot from the hip. I should angle up more than that. There you go.
All right, guys, fire in the hole.
We should go now. I don't know how far it traveled, but we should go now. Up more than that. There you go.
All right, guys, fire in the hole.